Hello Sugar fam, welcome to yet another video at Sugar Care Academy. And today we have a challenge given to us by our very own folks at Golfoy. Golfoy is your ultimate place to shop anything golf. So Golfoy have sent us the Adidas Tour 360-22. It is one of the best golf shoe out there. And apparently they said that, Sugar might just step away from cleaning this. But let me tell you guys, Sugar has accepted this challenge and you will see the difference right away. So let's take a look at what we are getting into and what the challenge has in store for us. Talking about the uppers, there is a lot of grass stains on it, but I don't think so it should be a very difficult problem for us to clean. The good part is it's all leather, so the grass stains should easily come out. Now talking about the midsoles. Now this is definitely the tricky part because it's all foam. So therefore we can't apply too much of pressure on it and we have to have the right brush. Talking about the outsoles, it's all rubber. So that's the good part. But the problem is the spikes, the dirt and even the grass tends to get in between these spikes. So you have to be very careful while taking it out and not to damage the spikes. So today I will be using the Ultimate Kit. The kit comes with 3 different brushes. The shoe is also pretty, dirty from inside. So I might just use a Sugar laundry system, but we'll see post we use the Ultimate Kit. So let's start cleaning. I will work on the right shoe and keep the left shoe for comparison basis later. So the first things first is to remove the shoelace. So now we've taken the shoelaces out. So first and foremost, guys, always dry brush your shoe. It takes 30% of the dirt just like that. For that, I'll be using the soft brush for my uppers. Okay, so I use a soft brush on the uppers and the midsoles. For the outsole, for dry brush, I will just be using the hard brush. Okay, so now we've dry brushed our uppers, midsoles and outsoles. Now I will take the Sugar solution and start cleaning. Pop water. 3 squirts of this solution. So first I will take the soft brush for the uppers to get those grass stains out. Dip the brush and let's start cleaning. You can see, most of the grass stains have come out, but now let's wipe the foam. So this was just the first clean and you can see 80% of the green stains are out. Now we need another brush on the back side as well. I'm still using the soft brush because it is part of the uppers. So now I will take the same brush and clean inside the tongue as well. And as you can see, the inside of the shoe is also pretty dark. I will go in with the soft brush. So as I'm cleaning the shoe, I'm getting more and more sure that I will have to put it in the laundry system for deep cleaning it. But first, I will be getting my work on the midsoles. And as I said earlier also, it's completely foam, hence it's very soft. So you can't use anything that's very hard. So I will be again using the soft brush because of the bristles. Dip it in the same solution and start cleaning. On the midsoles, I've tried using the soft brush, but I would also get and try the medium brush because I feel the dirt is a little stronger than I thought it would be. I did my best with the brushes to clean the foam, that is the midsole. Obviously, the shoe has been cleaned after a very long period of time. That is why the dirt has really stuck onto it. But once we put into the laundry system, so I think it will make a major difference. But quick tip guys, if you actually have midsoles made of foam, generally and very easily sticks to dirt, and it gets harder and harder over time to clean if you don't clean it regularly. This problem won't persist if you like clean your shoes in every 10 days, if you play out very frequent. So make sure that you take good care of the foam, because later it will be a troublesome problem. So moving on to the outsoles now, it's completely made of rubber as I said, so the hard brush would work absolutely perfectly fine on it. Same, dip the brush and let's give it a clean. So for cleaning the spikes, I'll be using again my finger and use the microfiber towel, because the brush won't get inside the spikes and we obviously need to clean them thoroughly. So we've worked our way on the outsoles and I'm quite happy with it, but I will still put the entire shoe in the laundering machine. But still, just to show you how far we've come in the cleaning process by just using the Ultimate Kit, look at the difference, and it's just the work of Ultimate Kit. But I want better results. For that, I will deep clean the shoe. I'll be using a sugar laundry bag as well as one sugar cube. Okay, so now we'll take the shoe and put it in the laundry bag. Let's not forget shoelaces. One laundry pod in this little pocket. Tighten the bag. Please always, while using the laundry bag, secure the shoe really nicely, because it protects the shoe from, unnecessary tumbling, and also protects your machine from any damage. So this is all wrapped and this baby is all set to go in the machine. So let me show you how the shoe was, and look at this guys. This was the condition when we first started. It looks amazing guys. All for you won the challenge and you lost, because as you can see the results are amazing. So I hope you really liked the video and I hope it was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, love your shoes. See you soon again in another Shoe Care Academy video. Thank you.